Hi, welcome to Fusion Kitchen. My name is Christine De Silva. I'm also an author and I've written a number of books and I'm still currently writing. If you're interested, please check out the description box below. Today I'm making strawberry barfi. Now barfi is a milk-based sweet. It is an Indian milk-based sweet and it is served at celebrations and religious festivals such as Diwali and Holi. Using ice cream is a unique way of making barfi, but the results are very delicious. So let's start. First, I've taken about 1 liter of strawberry ice cream. Basically, for this recipe, around 900 ml of ice cream is needed, and since this is a 1 liter pack, I've removed about 100 ml of the ice cream first. Then I've put it in a kadai which is non-stick, and under low heat I've begun to stir it till it melts. Then I've used about 4 1/3 cups of milk powder. Now generally, to make this barfi, it is preferable to use full fat milk powder which is available online on the stores. But I have used just plain milk powder, which is also a very good substitute. So if you don't have the full fat milk powder, just use the milk powder that is easily available in any general store. Keep on stirring under low heat. You can turn it to medium heat also, provided that you keep on stirring continuously, because if you stop stirring, you will find that it will burn. So you have to be very, very careful about the heat and the stirring that you do. This does take a little bit of stirring, say about 15 minutes of stirring continuously. So you've got to be prepared for that. As you can see, it is all well incorporated. Sometimes you might get a few lumps. In that case, use a whisk and whisk it to remove all the lumps. Say, as you can see, I've used a whisk because this will also result in a smoother batter. I'm trying to remove any lumps that might still be there because of the milk powder. So this is a very effective way of removing the lumps so that the batter gets smoother. This also takes a little time. Now as you can see, it is leaving the sides of the pan slowly. I've used cardamom powder about 1/4 teaspoon. This is important, though not very essential, but it does give a good flavor. Now as you can see, it is starting to leave the sides of the pan and it's almost ready. As soon as it's almost ready, you can add a little more food coloring, say about 1/2 teaspoon of pink food coloring, just to intensify the coloring of the barfi. Now I poured it into a pan with parchment. Now you remember, the bigger pan you use, the less thick the pieces will be. But if you use a smaller pan, say about an 8 or 9 inch pan, I've used a rectangular pan, you can also use a square pan. Don't use a very big pan, because if you use a very big pan, you will find the barfi pieces, when you cut it, gets very thin and it doesn't look like barfi. But barfi is always a little on the thicker side. So if you use a smaller pan, say about an 8 or 9 inch pan, you will get thicker pieces. Especially if you use a rectangular pan, as I have used, the pieces tend to get a little thicker, or a smaller square pan. Now I've used a parchment to try to make the surface smoother. If that doesn't work, just grease your hands lightly. As you can see, my hands are greased, and then smoothen it down. You don't have to add a lot of grease, just lightly grease so that the batter gets very smooth. Using your spatula, see that the sides are neat, because this will enable you to cut nice pieces. Now you can decorate with nuts, slivers of nuts. I've used almonds, you can use cashew nuts, you can use pistas. I've just used slivers of almonds. I've kept it out for about 20 minutes or 30 minutes or so, and then I've placed it in the fridge once it is cooled down totally, at least for 3-4 hours. And then when it is set, you remove it from the parchment and you begin cutting. Use a very big knife to cut. You can grease the knife slightly also to enable you to get neater slices. Preferably keep this barfi in the fridge rather than at room temperature. It will harden even more. Happy Diwali! Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.